step back in time to the heart of rural Japan, beyond the neon lights of Tokyo. Lies a world of Satoyama, traditional villages where life moves in harmony with the changing seasons. Autumn brings the most iconic sight of all, the golden harvest. In these ancient terraced fields, harvesting isn't just labor, it's a ritual. Watch as the emerald green of summer turns into a sea of shimmering gold, ready to be gathered by hand, just as it has been for centuries. Experience the inahagi, the traditional way of hanging rice to dry under the sun. This slow, careful process captures the essence of Japanese craftsmanship and a deep respect for the land. It's a scene of quiet beauty where every grain tells a story of patience and hard work. From the field to the table, the harvest is a celebration of community and nature's bounty. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the heart of Japan. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Live the Life for more glimpses into the world's most beautiful traditions. Let's keep exploring together.